Hello Ikonart crafters, Fawn here coming at you from the Ikonart Craft Lab, and today we are going to make two projects using our free SVG that's on our website. So we are going to make some placemats using the Happy Harvest design, and then we are going to wood burn some little mini cutting boards using the leaves design in a pattern. So if you want to see how we made this stencil and then how we used it, keep watching.
So of course, the first thing you need to do is make your stencil. You just print your design as dark as possible, expose it under the exposure unit, and wash it out to reveal your reusable stencil. And the first project we're going to make with this is some placemats. So we just remove our stencil from the backer, add it to our placemat, and then we can add our paint. You can use fabric paint. Today we're going to use multi-surface paint. If you want to make it machine washable, you can mix your paint, acrylic paint, with fabric fuse, and that will make it machine washable. Or you can just use fabric ink as well. And I'm loving these colors. It looks so good. And the great thing about Ikonart stencils is you can just go right to the next one without washing out your stencil in between. And I'm just using the small side of my squeegee here to get in those beautiful colors. And that's really all there is to it. I'm loving this color combo, and these turned out so cute. The next project we're going to make is a miniature cutting board, and we're going to use torch paste to wood burn the cutting board. So the torch paste applies pretty much just like paint. It's a thick gel, and you just squeegee it across your design the same way you would paint, and then you can remove any extra and put it back in the container. So once you have all of your areas covered, you just remove your stencil and repeat the process. So today I'm using individual leaves stencils, but you could also adjust the SVG file that's on our website to make a pattern and only make one stencil. But this shows that the stencils are reusable with torch paste as well from one to the next without washing out the stencil. So after you have all of your designs on there the way you want, just take a heat gun, and we are using the Seek 1 heat gun. It's 1800 watts, and we do use it on a high heat. We recommend using a heat gun that is at least 1000 watts or higher, and that will give you the best burn. It does take a little bit of time to burn, so just be patient and you'll be left with this beautiful design. So after that, we take a little sandpaper and just sand on the design to make sure that there's nothing raised and it's just all even with the wood. And then we add a mineral oil to the cutting board to make it food safe. And it really makes the design pop out too. It's gorgeous. And as you can see, it is completely smooth with the wood. It's not raised at all the way paint would be, which is one of the things I love about wood burning.
So that really is how easy it is to make and use Ikonart stencils. There's no weeding, they're reusable from one project to the next immediately, or you can wash out the stencils and save them to reuse them at a later date. Thank you so much to Lisa Letters for hand lettering this design for us. She is an amazing hand lettering artist. You can see more of her designs on our website by searching Lisa or Lisa's Letters. And she turns her hand lettered designs into reusable stencils on her own channel, so make sure to follow her there as well. Thank you, Lisa. And if you're interested in more tips and tricks on how to make Ikonart stencils or use them, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And thank you for watching.